Hi friends, Saurav here. Welcome back to my channel. In our last tutorial, we have learned about max, mean and count. Today we are going to learn about average and sum. But before starting average and sum, let me recall you max, mean and count. Okay, so what max function does, these all are aggregate functions. Okay, so what max function does, it gives us highest salary. When we will do select max of salary from employees, it will give us highest salary from employees salary from employees table. When we will do select mean of salary from employees table, so at that time we'll get lowest salary from employees table. Okay, and we have taken three example for count. Actually last time I only shown you the only one example, so here we'll give you best picture or better picture about count aggregate function. So when we will be doing something like select count star from employees, it will give us total row count, or you can say total number of records present in employees table. And when we will be doing something like select count of department ID from employees table, we will be getting total department IDs present in employees table. If any of the record is getting missed by department ID, if any of the row is not containing department ID, that will not getting counted. It will come as blank, or it will not getting counted. Actually I'll show you with example in SQL workshop as well, don't worry. And when we will be doing something like select count of distinct department ID, we will not get repeated values count. If department ID 90 is getting repeated 4 times or 5 times, it will be getting counted as 1. Okay, so I'll show you all these three examples one by one in our SQL workshop. Let me copy this, Control C, and jump to SQL workshop and paste it here. Okay, remove unnecessary the space from here as well. Yeah, let's run this query first. Select count star from employees. So total we have 107 records actually. So when I'm saying total, it means total 107 records are present in employees table. When I'll be doing select count of department ID from employees table, it means that let me run this query. Total 106 rows are populated with department ID. It may possible that one row is not having department ID, that is blank at that place. Okay, when I'll do select count star from select count of distinct department ID, it will not give us count of repeated values. So let me do this, run this. So we have total 11 department ID. It means that get repeated several times. I'll do select star from employees, you'll get to know about this in better way. Let me run this query, employees, and run this query. So as you can see, we have department ID and 90. Department ID 90 is repeated 3 times, and then you can see department ID 60 is repeated 5 times, I guess 3 4 5, yeah, 5 times. 100 is getting repeated 2 times, and maybe all we are getting actually 10 rows only. So this is how our department ID is getting repeated. So instead of repetition, this is only getting counted as 1. Instead of 3, it is getting counted as 1, and the 5 times it is getting counted as 1. So 1 plus 1 and all. So this is how we are getting total distinct 11 department IDs in our employee table. Hope this count aggregate function is clear to you. Let's jump to Sublime Text. Here we have average and sum. So what this average does, this average gives us the average value of salary. If total you have 10 number of records and total salary is like 10,000, so it will divide 10,000 divide by 10, and it will give us the average salary. So let me show you in SQL workshop here. Let me delete all these things. Okay, so we have, suppose what I'll do select average of salary from employees and run this query. So this is what our average salary of employees table. Okay, you can round it off also, no problem. Suppose you want to round it to up to 2 decimal value. So what you can do, you can use round function. There is a function called round in our Oracle database. You'll just use round, and you'll give your decimal values. I want to give it as 2. So when you write something like this, it will get rounded as up to 2 decimal values. So as you can see, 6461.83. okay, so this is how we can get average salary from employees table using average aggregate AVG aggregate function. and we have another aggregate function as sum. Sum will give us, total sum of the salary of employees table. I'll show you in SQL workshop. So when you'll do select sum of salary from employees, at that time you will get sum of total salary. Okay, so hope the concept about sum and average is clear to you, and what the difference is on all three, what I elaborated here. So hope these things are clear to you. So hope the whole tutorial is beneficial to you. So that's it for today. In our next tutorial we will learn about group by and having clause, how we can use group by and having clause. We will learn in next tutorial. Hope the things is clear to you. Please don't forget to subscribe the channel and like and share the video. That's it for today. Thank you very much. Thanks for watching the tutorial.